Hi there, I'm G and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making taco spaghetti. Exploding with flavor, this viral one-pot taco spaghetti is a great weeknight dinner meal. This taco spaghetti recipe makes its own sauce while it cooks, making it an easy meal that anyone can make. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now to get started, prepare the taco seasoning. In a small bowl, stir together the chili powder, ground cumin, paprika, ground coriander, cornstarch, dried oregano, and cayenne pepper. Then set aside. For a shortcut, you can use 2 tablespoons of store-bought taco seasoning, but watch the salt content because store-bought taco seasoning usually has a bit of extra salt added to it. Next, in a large skillet over medium heat, add the ground beef. Cook breaking up the beef with a wooden spoon until the beef is browned and no longer pink, which should take about 5 minutes. Add the chopped onion and the red and green bell pepper. Cook until softened, which should take about 4 minutes. Add the garlic and taco seasoning. Cook until fragrant, which should take about 1 minute. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Now add the canned tomatoes with green chilies and the chicken broth. Stir to combine. Add the broken spaghetti and press to submerge the spaghetti into the liquid. Instead of spaghetti, different types of dried pasta can be added here instead. Increase the heat to high to bring the mixture to a boil. Once the liquid is boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer. Cover and cook, stirring occasionally for about 10 to 13 minutes, or until the pasta is al dente. If the pan starts to look dry, add more broth as needed. It's important to stir occasionally to keep the noodles from sticking. Top 1 cup of shredded cheese and stir until combined. Top with the remaining cup of shredded cheese. Cover and cook on low heat until the cheese is melted through. Serve topped with chopped tomatoes, avocados, and finely chopped parsley or cilantro. And enjoy! If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I am so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.